Well, when we talk about unforgettable moments, of course, there are many in my 18 years of life. I am interested on reviewing one by one, but of course, we have limited time. However, I will try to share some of the moments that have made a deep impression on my heart until now. The first moment is when I passed the selection for Olimpiade Sains Nasional in Padang, West Sumatra, qualified to become a delegate to the Forum Anak Nasional in Bali and the delegation to the Temu Anak Nasional in Bogor at the same time in 2019. Being anak dari timur, which has always been left behind, of course, this is an extraordinary advantage that I can receive. I was very happy when the result of the three activities came out, and I am also so proud of this achievement. The second was when my two younger siblings were born. The three of us have a quite a big age difference. I was born in 2004. The next is my second brother in 2013, and the last one was born in 2022. As an older sibling, of course, I miss the figure of my little sibling who usually likes to keep me busy and bother me all the time. When the two of them were born, the feeling of joy became unstoppable. At that moment, I jumped for joy. I was 9 years old when my second brother was born, and 17 years old when my sister was born. But I can tell which ELKATA is 9 and 70 years old because both are like 5 years old children who jump for joy when they buy a new toy. Actually, there are many more moments that I will always be remembered, but those are the two moments that I can share. Thank you.